Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the KUICH 2.4L Cool Mist Humidifier, the perfect addition to any bedroom, nursery, or office space. If you're struggling with dry air, nasal congestion, or disrupted sleep, this humidifier is the solution you've been looking for. With its compact 2.4L water tank, this ultrasonic cool mist humidifier can operate continuously for up to 25 hours, providing improved air diffusion and regulating humidity levels for up to 180 square feet. Say goodbye to dry mouth and coughing, and hello to a stable and healthy environment. One of the best features of this humidifier is its top fill design, making refilling and cleaning a breeze. No more flipping the tank and risking spills, just easy access and maintenance for a healthier environment. You can also customize your experience with adjustable mist levels, a timer function, and a whisper quiet operation at less than 26 dB. And don't worry about safety, this humidifier comes with a comprehensive safety mechanism to prevent water splashing and signal low water levels to ensure peace of mind. Plus, with our 30-day return and 12-month replacement services, you can buy with confidence and experience top-notch customer support. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your KUICH 2.4L Cool Mist Humidifier today and breathe easier tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.